Hi everyone, welcome back to my tech tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a file on Google Drive so that others can view or edit it. Once you're in your Google Drive account, locate the file you want to share. Right-click on the file and select Share from the menu. A window will pop up with sharing options. Here you can choose to share the file with specific people by entering their emails, or you can get a shareable link to send to anyone. To share with individuals, start typing the person's email address and select their name when it pops up. You can share with multiple people this way. Choose whether you want them to be able to edit the file or just view it. For a shareable link, just click Get Shareable Link and copy the link. Anyone you send this to will be able to view the file, but you can change the access to Can Edit if you want others to collaborate. You'll see a message that the link is copied, and that's it. Now you can paste this link anywhere, in an email, text, social media post, etc. Keep in mind when sharing via link, anyone with that link can access the file. To revoke access, right-click on the file again and select Manage People and Links. Here you can see who has access and delete the shareable link. And that's how you easily share a file in Google Drive. Whether you need to collaborate on documents or share photos and videos, Drive makes it simple to give access to others. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.